How to edit your GitHub profile. In this video, I will show you how can you easily edit your profile in GitHub. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, open the application of GitHub or simply you can go to its official website too, www.github.com. After that, if you already have an account in GitHub, click on the account option and you will be directed to the profile. If not, choose the option of sign up and create an GitHub account. After that, now to edit your profile, firstly you can add a new repository. So to add a new repository, you need to firstly mention the name of it, after that make it available public, and then after initialize this repository with add a readme file. After you have set all those settings and details about your repository, click on create. Then after, in your profile you have this readme.md section which you can edit by clicking on the right hand side menu edit readme. After you click on it, provide an attractive detail about your profile so that any viewer who visits your profile finds it interesting. So that's it. That is how easily you can edit your GitHub profile. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.